how to turn on or off visit notice. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off visit notice notifications on your Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee, and once you are here, go to For You page and click on those three lines. And now all you need to do is click on setting and click on notifications, and here scroll down until you find visiting notice. So basically, when you turn off this option, when some user visit your profile, you are not gonna get a notifications because you turned off this option. If you want to get a notifications, turn on this option. But if you have big account, it's so helpful to turn on this option because every second you're gonna get notifications. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.